Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ramesh Life in another new vlog, another new fresh video. Guys, today is Sunday, so there is I have class, so that's why I have to go to my class around 2 p.m. There is class, so I will go to my class because last class I didn't go, so that's why this class also I have to go. I can't miss this class, and now I have come this place. Here in my room, front of room, there is a very small ground. So that's why this is the morning time, very morning. This is the time of 8:30, and as you can see behind me there is sun. So I have come here. Actually, every day I don't come to this ground. Today I have come here to this ground to actually spend some time, because when I used to live in my village, that time every day I used to go to the ground every day, but here in Calcutta I don't go. So that's why I thought that morning time I am free, so that's why I thought that I can go to the ground, and I can actually behind me guys, as you can see, there is ground. So today guys I have come here with my friend. This is very actually childhood friend, because when I used to study in class 5, 6, 7, 8, that class friend, actually he is actually. So behind me there is my friend. So now I would like to introduce my friend. So there is my friend. He live at Calcutta, at Manstroni side, Usha factory side. Behind me there is Usha factory, as you can see. So what's your name, buddy? What's your name? नाम तो बोल. Chayan Mandal. He is very shy man, guys. He is very much shy. So don't feel very much shy. Come. Come. Okay, he is very shy man, guys. So now we would like to go to the a tea shop, because he is don't want to go to the ground, and also he is telling me that he is feeling hungry little bit. So that's why we would like to go to the actually tea shop. Guys, that side is the tea shop, and as you can see, this is the building. This is the Usha factory. As you can see, very inside of the boundary there is very big building, and also a lot of machines are there. And as you can see, this is the road, Usha factory road, and now we would like to go this way. Come this place. Okay, here we are going. He is very shy man. He's very much feeling shy. This problem also I faced when I started actually work on YouTube. That time I also faced a lot of problems, and I also actually faced a lot of problems about shy problem, and to speak on the road, anywhere, to speak front of actually people, to speak. I felt a lot of problems. So also he is feeling like this actually, and guys, front of us there is guys metro also. I would like to share with you. And guys, this is the weather, today's weather. As you can see, it's a very sunny weather, you can say. And this side is the sun, guys. This is the morning time. So we are actually Bengali, so we like to take cup of tea every day. And so that's why to the tea shop, tea seller. So here is a tea shop, so that's why we are going there. Guys, as you can see, there is a metro station. That is actually not in the under metro. Actually, this is the outside metro. As you can see, that is the bridge of metro bridge. And just see guys, when you will go to the, how beautiful guys. Yeah, chon, let's come this side. Chal. Guys, this is the canal. As you can see, this is the canal, and upper side of canal there is metro station, metro line actually. This is the canal. Just you can't imagine guys, here is water, and upper side of the water there is a metro line. You can't believe, guys, you know how brilliant those who actually made this thinking. Those just they have thought that they can make a metro line upper side of the canal. As you can see, this is the canal, very big canal. We called actually it's a Adigonga. তাই না চয়ন?
Yes, bro.
Yes, bro. So he's telling me this is Adi Ganga. As you can see, all the dirty waters and dirty things comes actually in this Adi Ganga, and after that from here all the dirty parts goes to Ganges river, Hooghly river. So this is the thing, guys, and very good actually weather today. And guys, today's vlog I would like to end here because this video is going to very long, so I would like to cut this video here. So guys, tada, bye bye, tada kore de, tada, bye bye.